Hi, I'm Andrew Berman, and you're watching OriginatorTech. So with me today, I got my good buddy, Bochen Wang, who's the CEO over at Zeitro. So, Bochen, tell us, back in 2017, 2018, when you had this idea, to us about the problem that mortgage companies were facing during that time.
In 2017, 2018, back then, the mortgage industry is kind of like dominated by a few legacy software system, and that make the mortgage origination process very slow. Like in average, it takes about 30 to 45 days to close a loan, and in average, the origination cost is about 10,000 to 15,000 per loan. And the main reason is there's so many stakeholders or document handling work in this origination process. Everything's slow, everything's tedious. It's not a modern industry yet. And this industry is in need of modern technology.
All right.
A software or building a company is similar like building a building. So let's say you have a great edifice in a great building in New York, like 50 years old, very high. You want to maybe you can put some new glasses to make the surrounding, make the building looks better from outside. But inside, the flow, the structure, they're still designed like 50 years ago. They still designed 100 years ago. You can make the outside, the look better, but inside is still legacy. It's still It still work in a traditional way, and that's a problem.
That makes a lot of sense. And listen, a mortgage company listen, the foundation is this old foundation from 50, 100 years ago, in this building that you have. So mortgage companies, same thing. You have to rip down the entire structure of that building, and in many cases, you have to rip down the entire structure of the mortgage company, stop originations while you get everyone trained on this new system. So no one wants to change. So talk to us a little bit about why what you created with Zeitro, how you address the problem, and specifically talk to us. You mentioned to me this company that's also in the Bay Area.
We're in the Bay Area, Silicon Valley, North California. We have a local client. So they're a regional broker lender. Beginning this year, they have about 300 to 400 loan officers. So we start working together over the past 6 months, and today they almost double their company size, have almost 700 to 800 loan officers today. So what AI really helped them? AI is not really helping at one point. As the owner of the company, they have 30 to 50 different mortgage programs. It used to be very challenging for loan officer to learn all the guidelines, to learn all the qualification, to learn all the eligibility. And right now, the loan officer doesn't need to learn that detail. We train the machine. We train machine all the loan programs from this lender, and we let the machine to teach the loan officer how to originate a loan, how to check for the qualification. So the end result is over 6 months. Their profit, because AI will eliminate lots of paper handling work. The machine can automatically calculate income from a bank statement loan, automatically calculate DTI. So the end result for the company is, I believe there's about 1,200 increase per loan in the profit margin. And normally it takes 3 months to 6 months to train a loan officer. Now it only takes 1 week. And before they spend more than $100,000 every month on the software, and today they're completely saved. So which means they save more than 100,000 on technology costs per month.
Wow.
Yeah. So overall, AI is not helping one point; it's helping the entire department of the business.
Yeah, that's great. I mean, get those originators signed on fast as possible, and to know, actually, listen, the managers don't have to worry about hiring someone and have to answer every question. And listen, you sign up for a new company, you sometimes the originator asks too many questions or not enough questions and gets in trouble. So now you have all the tools, everything about the company is built right into the process. You're helping them save money, helping them actually speed up their process. Great solution. Great, great to kind of hear where you came from and how you address the problem. So listen, Bochen, thank you so much for joining us today. Appreciate it so much.
Thank you, Andrew, for letting me share this story. and hope to see you soon.
Fantastic. And I'm Manager Berman. Thank you for watching.
For more on these and all of today's top stories, go to nationalmortgageprofessional.com.